Hello, everyone! Welcome back to my beach walk travel blog. Today, we're discovering the charm of Leblon Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Known for its upscale and relaxed vibe, Leblon is a perfect destination for anyone looking to enjoy a slice of paradise. Leblon Beach is famous for its pristine waters and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. It's a less crowded alternative to the more famous Copacabana and Ipanema beaches, making it ideal if you prefer a more tranquil beach experience. The beach is also known for its cleanliness and well-maintained facilities. One fun fact about Leblon Beach is that it has a unique rock formation called the Pedra do Leme at its eastern end. This natural landmark offers great photo opportunities and a fantastic vantage point to take in the panoramic views of the coastline. If you're enjoying this beach tour, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more relaxing beach adventures. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite beach activity? Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Enjoy the beautiful Leblon Beach.